This is unreal. Just we got done with Samsung's recent Unpacked event, a massive load of Galaxy S24 series leak just came out. Let's start with the hottest stuff first. Samsung is breaking all the records thanks to Qualcomm's next big thing, which is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip. Yes, the very first early benchmark of the Galaxy S24 Plus model has been spotted running the 8 Gen 3 chip with the scores that we have never seen on any Android phone before. This is a huge jump compared to the Galaxy S23 Ultra from last year, and it's even surpassing the Apple A16 when it comes to the multi-core score. Again, these are the early scores, so by the time we see the official model, these will get improved further. But it all stops here. 8 Gen 3 is not gonna be for every market because guess what? Exynos 2400 is coming back. This news is coming from one of the most accurate sources when it comes to Samsung leaks out there, Eynos. He pretty much 100% confirms that the Exynos 2400 will return for Europe and Asian market. Sadly, Samsung is going back to the old times. Exynos 2400 for Asian markets, including the big market that is India. Don't be surprised if the whole of Europe also includes UK, because UK has always seen Exynos back in the day, so this could also very likely happen. Now, before you go into panic mode, Samsung took 2 years to make this Exynos 2400 chip, and maybe, just maybe, this might be the ultimate comeback chip that will be on the same level as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. I know Samsung has disappointed us when it comes to all of their Exynos releases in the past, so this is basically their last try. If they mess it up, people are gonna lose trust over Samsung forever. Now lastly, here are the battery sizes leaked for the Galaxy S24 Plus and the S24 Ultra, so pretty much the same battery sizes as the last year's model. There seems to be a slight increase for the S24 Plus, as well as the screen size for the S24 Plus, which is now a bit smaller, coming at 6.5 inches compared to 6.6 inches on the S23 Plus. With all these leaks, it's pretty much confirmed that Samsung is still bringing the S24 Plus model, so there won't be any killing of any S24 variant. We're gonna see all 3 Galaxy S24 model coming in 2024. So there we go. As impressive the 8 Gen 3 muscles are looking, the Exynos 2400 Cloud is back, and it's gonna be for Europe and Asia. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you have any hopes with Samsung, or do you think this is gonna be a disaster? Drop your thoughts below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.